grace does not demolish the old, it repaints it with purpose. You and I are our Creator's gift to this world. You are the purpose. Love it, bless it, live it. Hello everyone, it's me Seni from Edrienia, and I'm hoping you're having a good day. Today I'm going to share with you a reflection from my personal extrasensory elevation, titled The Repainting of the Ancestral House. When dreams speak in the language of the soul. There are moments when our ancestors speak not through words, but through visions that rise in the quiet of the night. These dreams come as gentle teachers, preaching what was, what is, and what is to come. They remind us that the unseen world often reveals truths waking minds has forgotten. In this season of new beginnings and unfolding opportunities, I had one such dream, a dream of reunion, renewal, and restoration. A house made new. Last night I dreamed of the boys I grew up with, faces from a time when life was simple, when joy needed no reason. We stood together again, laughing under the sun, as if the years had folded in on themselves. Then we were at my father's old house, long abandoned and weary. Its walls were decayed, its spirit tired. Yet there my uncle appeared with a brush in hand, painting everything white. Its stroke felt like forgiveness, renewal, and resurrection. He told me he was painting it out of gratitude for the land I had given him, for the small kindness I had forgotten, but he had not. In that moment I knew the house was not just a house, it was my lineage, my father's unfinished story, and my own soul being renewed. What I had given in generosity had returned to me as restoration. The dream was a whisper from the ancestors that the house, the family, and I were all being prepared for new life. Now, as I walk through this season of unexpected opportunities, long list interviews, open doors, new collaborations, I sense that the same spirit who repainted the old house is also repainting the walls of my destiny. For years, I carried the weariness of service, sacrifice, and rejection, unsure whether the gifts I've offered were seen or remembered. But grace has a way of remembering what the world forgets. The dream reminds me that restoration does not always come through the same systems or people that cause the pain. It comes through the divine timing, from those who recognize the value of your seed and choose to paint what others left to decay. My calling now is not to rebuild only for myself, but to help others repaint their inner houses, to turn decline into renewal, shame into beauty, and memory into a living legacy of love. Each of us carries within us an ancestral house, the place of our origins, our stories, and our scars. Some rooms are pride, others neglected. Yet when grace enters, it does not demolish the old, it repaints it. It takes the same walls that once held pain, turns them into a canvas of redemption. I am learning that healing does not erase history, it restores it, like my uncle's white brush. The spirit paints all what time has withered, not to hide the cracks, but to sanctify them. Each stroke is a sign of forgiveness, every layer a symbol of rebirth. The house is not destroyed, it is being prepared for new life. And so I am, and so to you. Share it, and fully trust in the Creators who gifted that to you. You are not a mistake. You are deeply loved. You are already enough. You belong here in this life. Today is your day. This time is your time. Shines on, lives on. Thank you for watching and for listening. It's Seni from Edrienia signing off. But I'm happy to see you again in my next video.